Section 3.2, Slope. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where m is the slope. x1 and x2 and y1 and y2 come from your coordinates of points. For example, if we have the coordinates 2, 1 and 5, 3, the first set of points consists of x1 and y1. The second set of points consists of x2 and y2. So we plug those into the formula to find the slope of the line that crosses through those two sets of points. So our slope for this line would be m equals y2 is the 3 minus y1, which is the 1, all divided by x2, which is the 5, minus x1, which is the 2. Now we subtract our numerator, 3 minus 1 is 2, and we subtract our denominator, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the slope is 2 over 3. The numerator is considered the rise, how far up and down along the y-axis. The denominator is considered the run, how far left or right along the x-axis. The slope of the line measures the slant of the line. Another way to find the slope of a line is by looking at its graph. If we were to plot those 2 points and draw the line, we would plot 2, 1, right about there, and we would plot 5, 3, right about here, and we would connect the dots with a line. We can find the slope by looking at that graph. We start with 1 point and we go up until we are directly across from the other line. From the other point. Now when we go up, notice we went up 2 units. That's our rise. The rise is 2. Then we went over 1, 2, 3 units. That's our run. The run is 3. So again we have a slope of 2 over 3. When we look at our graph, if our line, looking at the graph from left to right, the line goes upward, that has a positive slope. When we look at our line from our graph from left to right, and the line is slanting downward, that is a negative slope. If our line is a horizontal line, it has a slope of 0. If our line is vertical, it has an undefined slope. Parallel lines have the same slope. For example, if one line has a slope of negative 2/3, another line parallel to this line also has a slope of negative 2/3. They are exactly the same. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals of each other, meaning their product equals -1. For example, if one line has a slope of 3, another line perpendicular to this line would have a slope of -1/3. Opposite reciprocals. When you multiply them together, you get 1.